Hello children, today we will learn about disjoint sets and difference of two sets. So the sets with no common elements are called as disjoint sets. The intersection of disjoint sets is 5. Okay, if A and B are any two disjoint sets, then A intersection B is equal to 5. Now let us take the example. Let A is equal to 1, 3, 5. B is equal to set of elements 2, 4 and 6. So A intersection B is 5. So what are the common elements between these two? Here you have 1, 3, 5. This is 2, 4, 6. There are no common elements. That is, it is an empty set. Empty set is also represented by the symbol 5. This is called as 5. So intersection B is 5. So here the intersection of A and B is 5. So this A and B are called as disjoint sets. So disjoint sets are sets with no common elements. So A and B here are disjoint sets. If you represent it in the form of a Venn diagram, here this is set A containing the elements 1, 3, 5, B, 2, 4, 6. There are no common elements. There is no intersection part. Now next you have difference of sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set of elements which belongs to set A and which do not belong to B. It is denoted by A minus B. And here we can write this as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That is, if X is an element, this element will belong to A but it should not belong to B. Let us see what is the meaning of the difference of sets by with the help of an example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have to find A minus B and B minus A. A minus B. So first write the set A minus set B. Now what is the difference of two sets? The elements which are in set A and not in set B. What are the elements which are in set A? You have 1 here but you don't have 1 here. So you have to write 1. Then you have 2 here, you don't have 2. So write 2. You have 3 here, you don't have 2 in B. So you have to write. Here in A you have 4 but here also you have. So you should not write it. The elements which are in A but not in B. Okay. So here you have to write set 3 also. Then next here B minus A. So first you have to write set B minus set A. Then you have to find out. Here 4, 5 are the common elements. So you can remove them. Here 4 and 5 are the common elements for both A and B. So remove them. So what are the elements left? 6 and 7. 6 comma 7. So B minus A is 6 comma 7. So in this way also you can do. So when you are finding the difference of two sets, first remove the common elements in both and write the elements which are in the first set. Okay. Now if you want to represent the A minus B and B minus A in the form of a Venn diagram, then what do you observe? Here set A, set B. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the set A and B is 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are the common elements here? Common elements in A and B are 4 and 5. So here this is called as the intersection part, which is the common part for both A and B. So first you have to write the common elements 4, 5. Then write the remaining elements 1, 3, 5. If you observe this 4, 5 is coming under B. So this part, the shaded region 1, 2, 3 forms A minus B. So here I have explained it. So this part which is not there in B, the part of A which is not there in B, this part is called as A minus B. That is the elements 1, 2, 3 which we got. Similarly here B minus A. So B minus A, this is A minus B and this is B minus A. So here also first I am writing A, B. Then here B minus A is this part of B in which the elements of A are not present. So here I have shaded it. This is B minus A. So your homework is in your textbook page number 42. You have 6th and 7th questions. One is about difference of the sets and other is about disjoint sets. So these two problems you do it as homework. Thank you.